Taiji is shortened from Taiji Quan. It is one kind of Qigong martial arts. Its philosophical and conceptual background is from Taoism and Confucianism. It focuses on transforming internal qi into undifferentiated pure yang energy. Taiji involving more complex choreographed movement, coordinated with breath, done slowly for health and training or quickly for self-defense. The origin of Taiji can be traced back to 17th centuries, while Qigong has more than 2,000 years of history. Qigong plays an important role in training for Taiji. Many Taiji movements are part of Qigong practice. The focus of Qigong is typically more on health or meditation than martial applications.